How to delete recently played on Spotify. So if you want to delete your recently played music on Spotify, then first of all you have to open up your Spotify application. And now on the upper right corner you will have a settings icon, and on the left of the settings icon you will have a recently played option. You can simply tap on that, and then from here you can see all of your recently played music. And if you want to delete all of this, then what you have to do is you have to go back, and then you can tap on the settings icon which is on the upper right corner. And now if you scroll down, here you will see a social option. You can simply go to the social, and then you will have private session. You have to simply turn on your private session. So that's it. That's how you simply delete your recently played history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.